Hello guys, today I'm gonna be unpacking a product which I purchased from Amazon India. The product is none other than going to be an universal mount for flashlight on a rifle or a gun. They actually have an airsoft rifle, airsoft revolver, so I need to mount in a flashlight on it, so I really wanted to purchase this from Amazon. Well, it's available also with eBay India, but the pricing is a little higher. And not only that, it's not so, I don't prefer eBay India much better than Amazon. Amazon has a cash on delivery, so I really went for it. I ordered the product the last week, but I had to cancel the order, and again I ordered this week on Monday and it arrived just today. So let's unpack this thing. This is from Oliver India, I guess. Yeah, it's from Oliver, some seller named Oliver. Yeah, Olive Planet. You can see that's the invoice, I guess. The product pricing is about $559. That's 560 rupees. So it's a black in color, guys. I purchased this for this flashlight, the Cree Q5 flashlight for the gun, which I have is this one. It's a revolver. So let's go and unpack these guys and see how good the product is in. I'm not sure whether this will fit my revolver or not, but okay, just purchase it because there is no mount available anywhere else at this cheaper rate. So I know the option that I can buy it. The packing with this guy is not so good actually. I already have purchased a bony hat from him, but the packing is really worst with this guy. See, there's nothing here inside. Okay, but at least this time he has included an bubble wrapping. Last time there was no bubble wrapping too. So this is the packing he has given us. We can just take it out and you can tear it up, I guess. Yep, so there you go. Okay, so there you go, that's the thing, and so that's the tool and how you gotta tie the screws for this product. Okay, it's not included with the product details. Okay, so doesn't come out. Alright, so there you go, guys. So that's the product has a little much weight, and it states that this thing can actually fit up an 2.5 centimeters flashlight. I guess it'll fix it up this one as well. Not sure. I'll try it. Okay, so let me lose this thing. Okay, you need to loosen this now. This takes a lot of time. So that's how you need to lose our. So there you go. So there you go. That's how you're gonna lose it. I think you can do it with your hands right now, but when you're gonna tie it, you're gonna need this tool somehow. So I think the maximum limit it can fit is 2.5 millimeters. So yep, so there you go. So this is how it fits the flashlight. Okay, and then you're gonna tie this up. And this one comes in the barrel, I guess, in the gun's barrel. Maybe I think I can try it right now. So maybe it can fix or not, I'm not sure. Okay, so I need some adjustments here. Okay, so I'll need some adjustments to be done. Alright, so hold on guys, I'll do it and get back to you. Okay guys, so I fixed this up. So there you go, that's the mount here. Pretty nice and shine. It fits perfectly for a Cree 5, an ultra fire, a sheer fire for a Cree Q5 flashlight. Well, it's pretty difficult to actually operate this flashlight when you're on with this mount, but okay, just press the thing and there you go. That's your flashlight there. It has 3 modes actually, so there you go. That's the strobe flashlight, and you're just gonna press it and turn it off. I think the cylinder parts actually works out pretty nice. You're just gonna push it out, see? it works out, it's nice. So there's nothing that it actually hinders the part of this flashlight. So I was fearing about that, but okay, it works nice. So yes, the mount is pretty nice fit. I mean, it fits really nicely on this kind of gun. I mean, this kind of revolver. Actually, it's meant for this mount is actually meant for rifles. But okay, I wanted to try it for my gun here. But yes, it's pretty good, cool. I mean, the only thing which I didn't like is this part here. Maybe you cannot fit this thing into an holster or a gun carry bag or holster. That's the main thing. The holster, you cannot fit this gun here, because this one will be hindering. The screws out here will be hindering on, because that's the only thing that's protruding. So otherwise, yes, this thing really looks, I mean, really looks pretty nice, pretty cool, I guess. Well, I guess this might damage or cause any scratches out here where the mount actually fits on the barrel. But when you're gonna use some thin bush out here, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try removing out, and I'm gonna put some bushes out here and I'm gonna fit it back, so that way you can avoid some scratches on the gun. But otherwise, if you're not gonna remove it, if this stays permanent on the gun, then I'm sure that this thing will really work nice. So yes guys, sorry for the finger and the trigger. So yes guys, this works really nice, looks really nice on the gun. I mean, the flashlight and the mount, and on the barrel, on the gun, on the revolver. So that's the review about the product, about the flashlight mount. Well, you can find it on Amazon and on eBay India too, for the pricing of just about 560 rupees. So that's all for the review of the product, guys. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comments below. Do like my videos, do subscribe to my videos. I'll get back with another review soon. And until then, guys, stay safe. Aloha.